So today's topic is ProFreeHost. So we will be designing WordPress website on this platform. So basically it's a free platform and you have to just go to Google and search ProFreeHost, right? So the first website, it will be look like this, ProFreeHost.com. So you have to like click on this and you have to like register your account, right? So if you are planning to design a free website or free landing pages, or either you want to purchase your main domain and hosting, on that you have to launch your own website on WordPress. So you can use this tool also. This tool is free of cost, right? So there are several steps in which you have to follow their steps so that you can log in WordPress. So in this you have to like create your account first. So you have to click on this and you can click your mail ID and you can create your password also. Okay, so now we are going to create this. It will send a activation mail to your mail ID, Gmail ID, whatever the ID you put here. So it will tell you that activate your account and did not receive, please resend activation mail. So here you have to check and you will get your activation link. So you have to click on this and you will get this green button that your account has been activated, right? So here you have to just scroll it down and you have to click, and after this you have to first search your name, right? So here you have to select Unix and for example select that so you have to click on this free domain and check the availability. So it is saying that it is available and you have to click on this. After that you have to wait for some time. So it will divert to like a control panel website. Here you can check if this is working on, and when it is working, so you can refresh this, and in this on the right hand side you can check manage button is there. You have to click on this manage button. There are two options available. One is control panel and second one is file manager, right? So you have to click on control panel and it will say, so you have to like I approve this page and this will land to new page, right? So it will be Vista panel. After that you have to like search software. So here you can see database, domain, email, metrics, security. So in this software you have to click soft close app installer. So you have to click on this and you will be diverted to next page. So you can check the URL is also going to change. Okay, it will be again open soft close software. Now you have to click on install WordPress, right? It will come on the top, so you don't need to search or go otherwise somewhere else. So now you have to install now. In the install now you can set your password also. Like I will put my password here and click on install. So it will show like this. If the progress bar is like coming towards the right hand side, it means that your WordPress is installing on the software on soft close platform, right? So it will be live also, and if you go and check your domain, so it will be look like dkbooks.unix.com, right? You are using Unix in between that. So if you want to remove Unix, then you have to purchase your domain, right? So the backend is given by, when we are designing a website, so you need to like you need to know that you need to buy domain as well as hosting, right? So this is a hosting platform. So we have to click on return to overview, and now our WordPress is installed, and now we will like current installation. You have to come here and you have to click on this window W WordPress logo, and you will click here and then you have to click here login, right? So you will come up to your dashboard, WordPress dashboard. So my WordPress is installed. Okay, so you can check here, this is my, so maybe their server is busy, so wait for some time. So this was the process of like how you will install WordPress to your free domain, right? So in ProFreeHost is a platform where you can use the name and after that .unix.com will come in between that. So you can check this also, or after that what you have to do, you have to wait for some time. Then we have already installed in this platform, so we will directly come on the installation part, and here the link is displayed. You have to click on W WordPress logo and you have to click on login. So we will come to our WordPress website. This is my WordPress website. Okay, so now what you have to do is, you have to like when your WordPress website is installed, then it will look like this. When you visit website, it will look like this, right? So second thing what we have to do is we have to like install this theme. Okay, so what you have to do is you come up with your dashboard, and you have to install Royal Elementor Kit. Then you have to click on appearances. In appearances you have to come with theme, right? So I have already installed this Royal Elementor Kit. You can also install this. You have to click on this and just search Royal Elementor Kit. I have already installed it, and after that you need to install the template kits. I have already like I can show you the template kit, which when you have installed Royal Elementor Kit, on the left hand side it will be displayed, right? So these are my all the themes and the templates. If you want, then you can select your own also. So these are the free templates which are available for your website. Even though you can click on this and you can check this, right? There are 5 pages of the website. Like this is a home page, this is a service page, this is about us page, this is a gallery page, right? So this is a blog page, this is a single blog page, contact us. So I have already installed a theme, and look my website. This is my theme. I have already installed this. So for this I have selected like a real estate theme, and I will let you know further what all sort of things I will be going to do with this. So now second thing, you have to go to the Google and you have to search Pro Elementor. It is free of cost, available on Google. Click on this and you can download it here. And after when you have downloaded this Pro Elementor, then you have to come with your plugins and you have to install this Pro Elementor, right? So why we have implemented why we need to install Pro Elementor? Because when you are designing your website, then you need this tool, because this tool help you to edit your website, right? So this platform or this tool is very important for your website. Even though when you have purchased your domain and hosting, there also you need to do the same process which we are doing here, right? So in this I will be going to change my all of the content in the front banner. So what I have to come, this is the Pro Elementor, and you have to click here. Right now this is the site setting, so I will tell you everything about this. So when I click on this is a header part, right? Home, memo, service, about me, review, contact, book appointment. This is a header part. When you click on downward side, this is a footer part, right? So we can change both of this. And when you are designing your website, you need to check this also. So what sort of contents you have to change, right? So if you want to, like for example, I need to just add my WhatsApp contact number here. I need to change this button. Okay, so I need to change every button. So I need to put my like WhatsApp API. So it will make a WhatsApp clickable link. Copy link, you can copy there, and you have to click this one. Like this one is header part. So I'll click on this. Now I can click on this and need to change this, right? So this one is opening. I have to wait, or either I can change this also. So wait, it is opening, and I can put my logo here. So select file. You can make it on Canva also, and this is my logo. I will put this logo to my website, right? Select, and both of the images I have to change, right? So I click on this and my logo will be changed, right? So there is one thing, I have not removed my background, so that why white background is coming at the back side. So you need to check this also in the chat GPT, or you can remove you can use this website, remove BG, right? So here you can like remove your background, white background. So this is already removed background, so I can use this logo also. Okay, so I will download it from here and it will be downloaded. So I can change this banner also, right? So I can upload this banner and it will be remixed with my background side. So white background will not come. See this, look at this. Now it is visible. Even I can like change the size also if I want advance. In the mobile way it will look like this, and it is very big, so I will change my size. So here style, this is width, and now I can decrease the size of this logo from here. Okay, so this one is looking better. So now I will try to publish, right? Second thing is, now I have click on this copy link, and for example if I want to remove this, or either you can click it here and you can publish this, or if you want to change the button also, you can delete this button, right? Or you can put your button also here. So I'll click on this button and I'll put my own button here. Click here, or book appointment. Okay, and you have to click your link here. So you can paste your link, and this is my number link, and in the style you can change your color also, layout, space, color. Okay, block. So this will be block. Okay, so now it is hover, right? So we have to change the color also, spacing, color, background, border. Background is blue, so I'll change it for something different, Like, so if I want, I can change it to this also, and like this one. Okay, now I want to remove this all, so I will delete this. I don't require this because it is a single page landing website, right? So if you want, you can delete this also, and you can publish this, because these menus, because I am not developing a 5-page website, right? So I will delete it here, and now I'll just try to see every menu is removed, logo is removed, right? So right now here, now I'll just edit this home page website. From there, you have to come with the edit with Elementor, and you have to click this site setting. You have to click this. Now your whole of the home page content will open in front of you. You have to wait for 4 to 5 seconds. So we will like continue with the next video. Till now, you can subscribe.